Those are beef short ribs.
Yeah.
The idea is to cook it for a long time in a low heat. So the meats shrink and get tender. The bones are starting to appear on especially on that side, and you can see all the moisture. And it takes about 4-5 hours. We have 1.5 hours right now.
Okay.
Always to the bone side, the bone facing down. And once it's ready, you just turn once, just to burn fast the grease, the extra grease.
So how long do you turn it on the other side once you?
Just 30 minutes.
30 minutes, yeah. Okay.
Even less, just to heat it up.
Okay, excellent.
I just flipped 15 minutes ago.
15 minutes ago.
Once
Okay.
you think it's ready, you flip it just to burn the grease, the fat,
Okay.
to heat it a little bit, and
Right.
that's it. If I push it a little bit harder,
Yeah.
it'll
It'll fall apart.
Fall apart, yeah.
Beautiful.
Hold there, and I'll show you the juice.
Oh my God.
Take the white away.
Oh.